Training my seniors, sir, Dr. Mishra, Dr. Chauhan. So it's a great pleasure. I'm from Karnataka. I work in my place at Theology and Kidney Center. It's a great pleasure and honor to stay here. I have worked in 3-4 places, even abroad also. I have seen surgeons, like laparoscopic surgeons, doing surgeries. They don't open their mouth. If we were to ask something, sir, what was this insufflator, what was something, they say, you work with me, then you'll come to know. This happened with the Hyderabad Global Hospital site road. And I have seen 3 or 4 seniors, one Dr. Lakshmi and all. They were working there since 5 years, 6 years, but even after that, they did not have any confidence. And one of my senior, she's a lady, she went to Bangalore, she learned, she stayed there for 1 month, Dr. Ramesh, I think you must know. After coming back, she purchased all the instrument, investing around 5-6 lakhs. Then ultimately she sold it within a year. Most of the places, as I know, they don't teach anything from the basics, right? No surgeon will teach what you teach in one class. For their whole life, if you stay with them also, nobody will teach what you speak for 1 hour class. No, not even the speech, not even the ideas, basic things. Nobody opens their mouth. So I am very grateful you are giving such a teaching from the basics. You are a God-gifted teacher for everyone, and I am really thankful from the bottom of my heart. And one suggestion, sir, everybody is praising, because in my career, patients are my feedback. Everybody, I ask, some patients, they say, somebody told me regarding you, that is why I came. Then I ask, how is he? So that is how we get he says he's very good. I'm the second person coming from there. What my suggestion is, in the diploma courses, if you can't get the PICS for dissection, at least you can, in our MBBS we used to dissect on frogs. Or something, it must be more interesting. I think so, because most of the people, those who went from here, from the fellowship, they were telling, the other people were telling diploma is not that much helpful, useful and all they were telling. Really this is helpful. It is helpful, fellowship is for the beginners, but diploma is for the one who is practicing. Because we want to know the bottom and the basics of, though it is not related to surgery, like gynecological things you are telling, thoracoscopy, though it is not helpful in our this thing. But you can make it more practical, understanding, interesting by giving, maybe the not PICS. So you told one day it's very difficult to get the PICS. But rabbits, at least we can dissect, go inside, open up the abdomen, anastomosis, suturing, something. Maybe the frogs. I suggest the frogs. I think that might be more helpful, because diploma is really interesting. And sometime we were sleeping after food. That's extremely sorry I asked. Sometime after that it happens. But everything was fine. Diploma is also equally interesting. And I'm very thankful to you, sir. And I pray God bless this institution. Come up, I'll tell to all my colleagues. And once again, thanks to Dr. Chauhan and Dr. Mishra.